Okay, so I'm stopping back. This is probably about 4 months after we finished the turf here, finished this project up. Some simple landscaping is done. Let us know what you think. And now they don't have to worry about cutting, maintaining it, any of that kind of stuff. They're all set, enjoying themselves, enjoying the house and the property. So keep watching.